Okay, we're going to do a quick product demo. So now with YouTube Ads Formula, there's different levels, but your basic formula, the basic main front-end course is all about being newbie friendly and helping your customers get the first sale that they probably ever made on the internet. Let's face it, we know that most people have never made any money online, but they're still buying our courses. So I want to help them, walk them through the process of finding an offer, whether it's an affiliate offer on ClickBank or whatever, and them setting up a page, setting up their first YouTube ad, and getting their first sale. So that's what we're trying to do, trying to get as many people as possible to get their first sale. And, we have our sales page, start making $100 a day in the next 30 days with YouTube ads. So I think it's very newbie friendly to use YouTube ads. It's their best chance of getting success right off the bat, of course, because you're running paid traffic. And you can run paid ads at just $1, $2 a day on the AdWords platform, and it's very easy to set up. Now, the actual course information here, it's not just for beginners, but it goes from beginner friendly to intermediate to advanced marketers. And some of the stuff that I teach in here is the stuff that I give away to my coaching clients, as well as our agency, where we work with people running auto webinars, e-commerce offers, local businesses, so a little of everything. So our core content will be our 2 hours of training for our YouTube Ads Formula, the different types of YouTube ads, how to set up an ad, how to create a perfect video ad, and we go over some of the top ads out there, whether it's Tai Lopez, what Billie Jean does, what Alex Becker does, like all the top video ads out there. We have a Rolodex of ads in the course as well. So that's our core training. And then we actually have training on how to find a product to sell. So again, newbie friendly course. And then it goes into more of an advanced training. So 5 reasons why our YouTube ads fail, from each process, whether it's the lead gen process, it's the product creation process, it's the follow-up, it's the more advanced techniques. And then we have training in here from all the top experts online that are running successful YouTube ads, whether it's Justin Sardi, Billie Jean, Tai Lopez, Tom Breeze, Anil Patel, and then more advanced YouTube ads strategies and tactics that I've been using and been teaching. So we have upsells as well, and they range from $49 to $500 for our YouTube Ads Formula Agency Edition. So if they want like a done for you, or they just want a skimmed down light version for just training only, there's different levels, downsells, upsells for that. And finally, we have our YouTube Channel Mastery Program as an OTO. So I will teach your customers how to create a YouTube channel, why they should build one, help them pick a niche, setting up their 100-day challenge, which I work with clients on doing this. So building a list of 100 videos, and each day you produce one video. And then how to master the YouTube algorithm, how to set up a video studio at home or on the go, or vlogging studio that's mobile. That's pretty much it. We have our inner circle for YouTube Ads Formula. So it's a monthly, so more commissions for you guys. And that just about does it. If you want to have a back-end product in here, we do have recommended products. If you want to get your product on the back end, please let me know. And we look forward to seeing everyone here on the launch. And let's see how we can work together further. So we have a lot of products in here that I offer as an affiliate, and love to include yours if it fits the market.